let's get started. Okay, so to start with, I'll clean everything. I'll just pick up everything that is lying randomly here, and then I'll clean it with the help of a cloth. Now for the background pink, nahi, I don't think so. And white, nahi. Brown, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And black maybe. Red, I don't think so. So I have to make some stripes. So I'll be taking white color chart paper and just measuring it. So I decided that I'll be making stripes which are 2 centimeter wide. I don't like this skill, so I'll be using the transparent one. So yes, I'm just measuring. I'll be making 6 stripes. Now I'll cut it out. And I have my stripes. So initially I decided that I'll do the design with the help of the colored sketch pens, but when I did it, I didn't like the texture. So I decided that I'll be first making the borders with the help of a black sketch pen. And for coloring, I'll be using the pencil colors. Trust me guys, it took me forever to color these stripes. And done. So I have this black chart and I thought that this is only I'll be using for the background, so I'm just sliding it in and I just hope I don't tear it. I'm definitely for sure I'm gonna tear it, I guess. Okay, no. And yeah, done. So I have these stripes now and I'll be pasting these with the help of scissors and tape. In case you haven't seen these things before, I'm just showing you. And yeah, you can also use Fevicol or anything you want to. It's completely your decision. And I have this dream catcher. I'm just figuring out where I should place it. Such difficult life decisions, you know. And I'll paste it here. And I also placed this minion which I found roaming around. And now I have with me, I have fairy lights. And time for the Eureka moment, guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll try again. It's okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we did it finally. And ta-da! Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you didn't, do click on the unlike button so I know what kind of videos I should not make. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.